Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, we're looking at Bitcoin on the 12-hour and we will go down to the 4-hourly chart. What we can see is that the market did break the support trend line that we did have, who created high highs and high lows, and then we did break it. We also did break this previous support around 41,925. Because we did have this huge drop yesterday, we could potentially now see the market coming up and retesting the same level that we did break, and that could be around 41,374 or potentially 41,194, around these levels. And if we're seeing that, that is also combined with this trend line that we did break. So if we're seeing the market coming up potentially to these levels and giving us bearish reversal patterns, the targets that I'm having is based on previous support and resistance zones, because as we all know, the market is always going to previous levels which we have been at before. So the targets that I do have is 38,730, 36,970 and 34,480. But if we are breaking the support that I was talking about, we could definitely continue up a little bit more on Bitcoin.